Hey guys, it's Tepco Cycle Repair. Today I'm going to be showing you how to pull a fuel line through a small engine like this as a chainsaw, the easy way. Now, sometimes you'll see guys take the line and they'll cut the edge of it on an angle and they'll just kind of stick it down into the hole, and then they come into the gas filler cap and they grab it with a pair of pliers or something, needle nose, and pull it out. Sometimes you can do that. The easiest way to pull this line through, okay, is going to be straight. Okay, you want to be able to pull it straight through. If you're pulling it on an angle, it makes it a lot harder to pull it through. So the way that I find is the easiest way to do it, and it makes the whole process simpler, is to take a piece of wire. Okay, now this wire that I'm using is safety wire. We use it for like tying on grips and stuff like that so they don't twist and slide. But the reason you got to do this is that you can easily send this through the hole and get to where you're going. Now, especially ones like this where the hole, all right, so I'm going to be pulling the line right through that hole right there. That hole is not the actual hole of the tank. There's another hole down in there that's the tank. This is just the housing where it's going to be coming up. So it's even harder to do this one by sticking it through this way. I'm going to show you how to pull it through up the other way, and it makes the whole process easier. So go ahead and take your line, your metal wire right here, and stick it through the hole. Now we're going to go through the hole that we're going to be pulling the line up through. All right, so I'm going to stick it down there into that hole. Okay, and I'm going to pull it out through the gas fill cap hole. All right, so here's now, so now we have the wire, okay? Nice and simple. You can see that wire running through. So what you want to do next is take your line. You're still going to cut an angle on it, all right? But you're also going to take the wire, all right, the safety wire, and you're going to stick it through. Just punch your little hole in there with the wire. All right, just like that. All right, so now you see what we're looking at. Now take the wire and bend it, the safety wire, all right, and you're just going to take it and you're going to bend it back up. So now what we're going to have here is the wire, the safety wire that's bent back up, and it's kind of pinching the, all right, can you see that there? So I got the wire just kind of pinching it right there. I'm going to take a little bit of two-stroke oil, help it slide right through. And then now we have a good wire that we can easily pull, right? And then when it gets to the hole, if you've got the wire bent properly, right now, I don't know if you can see it in there, all right? So you want to bend, when you bend that wire up, make sure you bend it so it's right up against it so it'll feed right back through, and we're just going to pull it up through, all right? And then our wire is pulled, the hose right through. It's real simple. And now when you're pulling this hose to get your fuel line pulled all the way up, you can just pull it straight and it's just going to pull up nice and easy. Put the fuel filter, drop it back in the tank, and you're done. This is the easiest way to do it. You can sit here and try to push it through the top part and try to grab it in here with needle nose. And if it's not perfect, it's kind of just a pain to do. This is the easiest way to do it. You can get this safety wire real cheap in any motorcycle shop. And, you know, it's real simple. So, again, I'm going to show you that bend up close so you can see it. All right, cut the slit like that, bend it just so that it's right up against it like there. So it'll come right back through that hole, pull it back through, nice and easy. Hopefully you guys like this video. It'll help you out. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for further notification, guys. Until next time, this is Tepco Cycle Repair.